Laksa. How wanna do?
Where's the door?
How wanna do me do little girl?
I don't know.
Me say lad, I wanna do me do.
I hear that. Get me out of the
Look and see if a master come.
Who's it? Where is it?
I wanna do me do a master come to me yard and not do me do.
In your pocket.
Package?
Yes.
Who fi bring package for me? So if I who come with package.
Yeah.
Because me little granddaughter say somebody come with package. So me a go down there so who come with package in a me house tonight.
Yeah, we
Look
did
on in time and them a go knock down me door. I wanna me do. Oh Jesus, I'm my grandson.
I'm my grandma.
What happened?
Oh, what happened to your grandson?
Me get hit by a train.
Where you did I do that chain leak you
The
down?
train get out of control. I don't know what happened to the...
Which chain? Number 2 chain or number 5 chain?
I don't
I
remember.
met you not chain.
I don't remember which train, grandma. I don't remember which train.
You should have be careful and done why you take the wrong chain.
My head is
Just look
hurting me,
on
grandma.
the train. You was
No, Jima. So you got hospital, grandson.
Yes, grandma. They
So-
give me injection on my leg, man. It's so painful, man. It's
So-
the worst. I don't want to get hit by a train anymore.
So they might have insurance. So you're gonna get hurts.
I have no insurance. I have no money.
Do your neck
So
hurt?
ho-
Yes, my neck is hurt and my hand is hurt. It's painful headache.
Want me to
Everywhere
pray
is
for
headache.
you?
Everywhere is headache. Everywhere is pain, man. Pain,
my
pain,
grandson,
pain.
my granddaughter said if you want a word of prayer.
Oh, baby train, baby train. It's a baby train, a baby train.
It's not baby chain, grandson.
It's a baby train, grandma. Let me kill the train. It's a baby train.
It's not a baby chain where you come from country. It's not a baby chain, it's my cake.
Grandma, I have to kill that train before it grows up. I have to kill it before it grows up, grandma, so it don't hit me anymore.
No, you
It's a-
cannot kill it.
It's a baby train.
No, you cannot kill it. It's my cake and my fire boiling up.
Okay, grandma.
Go and have a seat. My granddaughter want to pray for you. Granddaughter, lay your hand up on him and pray for him. Say so loud. Make God hear you with prayer go up. Loud. Louder.
I hope you never get hit by a train. God will bless you, and it's okay. And don't kill the whatever that is called. Amen.
Amen.
Grandma can lay on. Dear Heavenly Father, I pray for him that you protect him, guide him, Papa Jesus. Protect him out of danger. Don't let him strike another time in that train. Don't let the train run over him again, Father God. Protect him, Father God, from that accident, Father God. You are the protector, God. Protect him foot, protect him hand, protect him head out of danger. Don't let him walk in any more danger, Father God. In Jesus' name we call upon you. Where we fit a picking it.
Amen, grandma. Amen. I go to bed now, grandma. I just go to the bed now.
You